I messed up a lot when I started investing in real estate, but I grew a $14 million portfolio. Real estate investing can be tough, but it doesn't have to be if you have the right tools. That's why I created this free training so you can skip the mistakes and learn how quick to invest the smart way. I was divorced and trying to figure out how to make some passive income. I was scared and I didn't have any idea how to get started. But I went ahead and I invested in my first deal. It was a triplex and I made mistakes. I got sued by a tenant after a whole year of renting. The furnace got stolen out of a rehab house, all kinds of problems, but I didn't give up. I had to make this work. Hi, my name is Leanne Riley, and I wanted financial freedom bad, and I knew real estate was my path. Eventually, I decided to get a mentor, someone who'd done this so I could get quick answers so I didn't keep bleeding money. I remember the day I finally asked for help. It was a relief, and within 1 month, the big problems were solved, and there were tenants in all my buildings, and I was over being stuck. I generated better cash flow, and I got going on the next deal. As I grew our portfolio, other investors were watching, and they asked, how was I growing so fast? I started teaching them what I was doing, how I ran a huge portfolio of inner city rentals, Section 8 property, and how I was traveling all summer, living off that passive income. And now I've dedicated myself to teaching others how to use the right formulas and the right tools and when to apply them. How do you mix those strategies? It's easy to tell a good deal from a bad deal, manage tenants and collect the rents when you know how. Real estate investing can be so darn tough, but it doesn't have to be if you have the right tools. That's why I created this free training so you can skip the mistakes and learn how to invest the smart way. So watch the training. Click here to learn more. Real estate investing made simple.